Swiss Airlines baggage rules. Hand baggage. On board, you can comfortably carry your essential and valuable items with you in a small piece of hand baggage. Please note, though, that there is only limited space on board and that certain items are not allowed on board. Less hand baggage, more convenience. With less hand baggage, you get onto the aircraft quicker, enjoy more comfort on board, and contribute to the punctuality of your flight. That is why we also check your hand baggage for quantity, size, and weight at the security control and at the gate. What does not meet the regulations must be checked in. This may be subject to a charge depending on the fare. In the case of heavily frequented flights, we sometimes ask you to check in hand baggage that conforms to the rules at the gate. Please take care to ensure that you always take your personal items such as your valuables, passport and medication into the cabin with you. Devices such as mobile phones and tablets, power banks and e-cigarettes must not be carried in the hold baggage. Checked baggage. We'll be happy to carry the items that won't fit in your hand baggage a level lower for you. The quantity and weight of checked baggage are clearly defined and vary according to your booking class and fare option. Excess baggage. We have defined precisely how big and how heavy an item of baggage can be in order for it to be included in your baggage allowance. Your baggage will be classified as excess baggage if it exceeds the permitted weight or dimensions. If this happens, there will be an additional charge. The price depends on your booking class: Swiss Economy, Swiss Business, and Swiss First. Damaged baggage. If your baggage is damaged after the flight, we will be liable for the damage incurred. The procedure varies depending on the country you are in. Please note the following so that the damage issue can be dealt with quickly and smoothly. Reporting damage immediately. The best thing to do is to report the damage to your baggage as soon as you collect it. Report the damage to your baggage to the Lost and Found office immediately. In most airports, the Lost and Found office is located in the baggage reclaim area. In Zurich, you will find it in Arrival 1. Reporting damage later on. If you only notice the damage after you have left the arrival area, you have a period of 7 days in which to report it. In order to do so, complete the damage form and take photos to document the damage. Swiss only assumes liability for damage that is reported within this deadline. If you still have any queries, you can talk to Swiss Airlines executives. We Cheap Flights want to provide you the best deals and updated news of all airlines in United States. Call us now to get discounts in ticket booking.